So this article was published, they headlined as Holiness is a Two-Way Street. It was published on the 8th of June, 2002. And now I'm going to read the article. In Bhagavad Gita 4:11, Krishna promises Arjuna to reward him if he surrenders. Yaya tamam prapadyante tam sataiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanu vartante manusha partha sarvasha. As all surrender unto me, I reward them. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. Yet, we tend to think that saintliness is a kind of blissful detachment, an advanced kind of mystical merging into oneness with the Supreme and everything in it. There is no personhood involved, only an ethereal unity with Brahman and renunciation of things of this world. It's habitual among Western theologians, even in the Vatican, to consider Vedanta only as Advaita, oneness. But the world's leading religious thinkers are now beginning to realize that there is such a thing as Dvaita Vedanta, or dualism, within Eastern philosophy. Modern psychologists tend to look askance at codependency. But let's face it, we simply don't experience human happiness without some form of dependency. Knowingly or unknowingly, we depend on response. Without reciprocation, life is lonely and desolate. It has been said that love of God is the thread that connects all religion. But love requires knowledge of the loved one. There's much talk of God, but what does it mean? A lover always has a beloved, and vice versa. Nobody likes the silent treatment at home. Similarly, spirituality is not about silence. It is not a hackneyed affair. You can't really love the sky or air as your ultimate adorable object. Solitude and sannyas are generally not spiritually advisable for denizens of our planet. At least in the age of coral, our breed requires exchange in order to achieve fulfillment. In order for genuine affection to take place, knowledge of the lovable other is needed. An image has to become fixed in the mind. A face, a voice, a picture, a garment, at the very least, requires lovable features, not lofty concepts, ethereal entities, or other vagaries devoid of attributes. This kind of love is primitive, undeveloped, and usually self-deluding. Unless there is substantive activity going both ways, the love is merely a tired platitude without any substance, wishful thinking. In fact, love is another word for happiness and wholeness, but without features it simply cannot exist. Those who meditate do so upon a personality, either a family member or a loved one or the Supreme Person. In the case of the latter, all loving feelings are included. It once was said by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami that one who becomes a lover of Krishna becomes a lover of everyone in the universe. Hare Krishna. That's the end of that article.